Good morning. The topic is methodology of disease resistance breeding. Methodology of disease resistance breeding. Okay, write down. The methods of breeding for disease resistance are essentially the major factor when compared with other agronomic characters. Agronomic, agronomic characters. First up, the different breeding methods which are used for disease resistance are the following. 1. Selection. 2. Introduction. 3. Mutation. 4. Hybridization. 5. Somaclonal variation. And 6. Genetic engineering. ENGINEERING. Genetic engineering. Okay, subheading 1. Selection. Selection of a resistant plant from a commercial variety, COMMERCIAL, commercial variety, is the cheapest, 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 and the quickest, QUICKEST, quickest method of developing a resistant variety. First up, next paragraph. The method has been useful in many cases, comma, but it has only a limited usefulness. USEFULNESS, usefulness at the present level of crop improvement. Full stop. Next subheading 2. Introduction. The resistant varieties may be introduced for cultivation in a new area. Full stop. This offers OFFERS a relatively simple and quick means of obtaining resistant varieties. Full stop. Next sentence. Moreover, comma, introductions have served, SERVED, as a useful method of disease control, and it also serves as sources of resistance in breeding programs. First up, next paragraph. Even though, comma, introduction is quick, 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 comma, but has certain limitations. Full stop. Next sentence, that is, comma, the introduced varieties may not perform well in new area, comma, they may become susceptible to the concerned disease in the new environment, and they may be susceptible to the concerned disease to other diseases which are common in the new area. Full stop. Next heading 3, mutation. Mutation is one of the another method widely used for the usefulness of spontaneous as well as induced mutations in the breeding for disease resistance. First stop. Next subheading 4, hybridization. It is the most common method of breeding for disease resistance. Full stop. Generally, the parent is selected for disease resistance is the same one. Full stop. For this, the backcross method and by pedigree method are used. PEDIGREE. Pedigree method are used. Full stop. Next paragraph. In backcross method, the transfer of disease resistance from an agronomically agronomically undesirable variety to a susceptible one or any one is adopted. ADOPTED. First stop. As in the case of pedigree method, not only combining disease resistance but also some other desirable characters of one variety with the superior characteristics of another variety is preferred. PREFERRED. Full stop. Next heading 5, soma clonal variation. Generally, disease resistant soma clonal variants VARIENTS can be obtained in the following 2 types. First stop. A. Screening. SCRWNING. Okay, write down. Plants regenerated from cultured cells or their progeny are subjected to disease test TEST, and resistant plants are isolated or screened. SCRWNED. Full stop. B. Cell selection. CELL. Cell selection. Okay, write down. Cultured cells are selected for resistance to the toxin TOXIN or culture filtrate FILTERATE culture filtrate, produced by the pathogen, and the plants are regenerated from the selected cells. First stop. Next paragraph. The cell selection strategy, strategy, is most likely to be successful in cases where the toxin is involved in disease development. Full stop. Next subheading 6, genetic engineering. Okay, write down. Genes expected to confer disease resistance are isolated, cloned, cloned, and transferred into the crop. Full stop. Next paragraph. But, in case of viral pathogens, semicolon, several transgenes, transgenes, have been evaluated, evaluated. Full stop. Similarly, in case of bacterial and fungal pathogens, semicolon, resistance has been sought by sought by the expression of transgenes. Full stop. Next paragraph. In almost all the approaches, transgenic plants show increased resistance to the concerned diseases. Full stop. Next paragraph. The method of developing disease resistance through genetic engineering by transgenes is the strategy, strategy, of artificially programmed cell death. Artificially programmed cell death, DEATH, has been designed to mimic MIMICK, hypersensitive response, HYPERSENSITIVE, hypersensitive response. Full stop. Next paragraph. A programmed cell death is brought about by the endogenous gene action, ENDOGENOUS, endogenous gene action, particularly in response to some specific stimulus, STIMULUS. Full stop. There are two schemes for TWO, two scheme, SCHEMES, for artificial cell death, VICE, VICE, two component TWO hyphen component, 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 and single component systems. Single component systems. Full stop. Next paragraph. In the two component system, two TWO, two precisely, PRECISELY, precisely matched, MATCHD, matched transgenes are expressed in the same cell. First off, the single component system is based on the expression of a toxic, Toxic, a toxic polypeptide in response to pathogen infection. Full stop. Next paragraph. Obviously, 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 comma, the strategy of artificially programmed cell death will not be effective against facultative 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 parasites parasites facultative parasites. Okay, thank you.